Look behind me, there's a house. Oh, this is so cool. I'm currently at the Warner Brothers Harry Potter studio tour in London. I've just travelled from Glasgow, and as you can see now, I'm just about to go in, so come and join me on this little tour. In the waiting hall, waiting for the tour to start. This is really cool. Look behind me, look, there we go. How cool is that? So the tour started, and the first part is the Great Hall. I'm being told I need to move in there. This is so cool. I feel like I'm actually in Harry Potter. Some of the things I'm seeing are bringing back tons of memories from the movies that I've watched and also the books. It's just really cool, and I've only just started, so yeah, sorry, I'm gonna go. I'm halfway through. It's really enjoyable. Look behind me, there's a house. Oh, this is so cool. I've just tried some butterbeer. To me, it tastes sort of liquid creme brulee, creme caramel sort of flavour. It's nice. Plus a souvenir mug. $6.95. A little pricey, but it's worth it. So I'm going to finish this and continue my tour. I'm going to go inside the house, guys. This is going to be very cool. Let's go in. Well, that was a little disappointing. There's only one room, and that's it. Okay, let's continue. Right guys, so I'm just about to head into the bank. This attraction only opened at the start of April, so this is going to be really, really cool. So if you haven't seen it, check it out. Let's go for a walk. Detail of this behind me is amazing. It's basically a bigature, effectively, and you could be in here for hours just looking at the detail. I'm not going to bore you with tons of video for that, but yeah, this place is very cool. My inner child is screaming yes. So yeah, I'm going to look at the other side. This is really cool. My videos are not doing this justice. This is really amazing to see. You could be here for hours and hours, just looking at all the detail. If you do come here, make sure you don't book a tour. You come yourself, because you'll be spending all day in here, and rather than rushing, you can appreciate everything. This is cool. I could stay here for ages, but unfortunately I can't. So, on to the next part. I've just finished the tour. I have to say I really enjoyed it. It was very interesting and very cool to see, especially close up with some of the sets and costumes and everything. I wish I had more time. I kind of walked through it quite fast because I've got a time limit, but I walked through it too fast. I could have spent another half an hour in there. So if you do take your time. That's the first tip. Merchandise, little pricey. For example, a wand is £30, but I had to get one. There's a lot of surprises in there, so do keep looking out for them. And yeah, just let your big kid out. That's what I'm doing this weekend. I will be coming back. I thoroughly enjoyed it. So yeah, if you do come here and visit and take many pictures, etc., let me know what you think, and let me know what you think of that drink. If you liked it. Anyway, I'm heading now, so see you later.